Well, this is a response to the Weekend Builder. There you go. Put it together in InDesign. Not the best software package for doing this, so I'm sure you can use AutoCAD, but that's got a learning curve to it. Right, this is where the bench is going to go, over there. I was going to use a circular saw, but one of the from we made. But you can't really see the wood properly through these, so it's lucky enough you only bought one, and now I won't, because you can't really see exactly where the blade's cutting, even though you've got the notches there. It's not good enough for me. I think a compound drop saw will be a lot better. Obviously we have refreshments. Always make sure you wear the correct footwear when doing this type of work. I have on my Aussie work boots. All done. Well, there we go. How is this actually? Over there. It's funny when I first was cutting all this, I thought to myself, gee, it just doesn't seem that it's going to be deep enough or high enough, but now looking at it like that, I think it's going to do the trick. That's the first one done. This is how I'm just keeping them in place. And behold, the frame is complete. It is probably about 2-3 mils out between that end and that end across, but really, who's going to notice? Alright, we've decided to put the planks going across that way. So what I'm going to have to do, because there's no support in the center, I'm going to put 4 braces across, 4 braces across the knife. Well, there you have it. That's the cross members in there. You shouldn't have any bounce in the wood, unfortunately. All finished. That's the finished workbench and finished glass of wine. It cost approximately $150 Australian. That was for the bench and the backboard. I wanted to ensure that I had a lot of clearance in the front here. If I need to clamp a vise to the side, or secure a vise to the side, or use clamps when I'm securing wood that I'm cutting or any material. So there's a lot of clearance there which I wanted. Also, if I'm sitting at on a chair and I need to work, get myself really close to the bench, I don't have that bit of wood there right up to the front, so at least I can get myself a bit in there if I'm doing some fine work. Yeah, it's turned out very well. I'm impressed with it. I'm happy with it, given that's my first bit of major woodworking I've done in a very, very long time, in probably more than 15 years. I've redeemed myself with my wife, because the last time I had a bash at doing something like this, I didn't have the proper equipment. was on a very restricted budget, and yes,